Is there a finer valley in England? I don't know, you tell me. Not a bad place to start the day though. Where I'm going to end up, I'm not too sure. But I'm just going to have a little nice and early. I drove straight over from my camp at Ullswater. I went up the Kirkstone Pass and down the Struggle. Parked at Stittle Barn there. It's full up at 9 o'clock in the morning. I managed to squeeze on though in the end. I think I'm going to try and find somewhere that's not too high, about, I don't know, about 400 metres or something. But that's got a decent walk up to it. And a couple of miles on the ground before I get to the climb. Just trying to build my fitness back up a little bit. I need to do something about my pack as well. It's just too heavy. It's giving me a bit of jip leg. Don't think it's I need to fiddle about the adjustment. It's not quite right, but next time I stop I have a fiddle about it. I'll see if I can sort it out. Like, yeah, a beautiful day again. I'm going to stop mentioning the weather because I sound a bit like, I don't know, Michael Fish or John Ketley or somebody. I think the weather announcer. That's Baysbrand Farm campsite up there. That's where all the showers and what have you are, up by the farm up there. I like this campsite because generally there's tons of room. There's loads of space. There's a few different fields I'll show you. These are all the fields. That's where the showers and what have you are up there. And you can just turn up, you pay at the house up there, and yeah, just pitch where you want there. That's what I like about it, there's no fuss. You just turn up, pay and you pitch. And they also charge per person as well, rather than per pitch. So if you're a single traveller like me, it works out better. And last year it was a tenner per night. You know, that's pretty reasonable. Whether they'll put the prices up, I don't know, but I like this campsite. And I think it opens on, I think it's May the 17th, so it's just handy for a stopover. Or if you want a bit of a wash up in the shower or whatever. When I say wash up in the shower, I don't mean do you washing up in the shower. I'll make you know yourself. See the church in the background over there, I don't think you can see it, like, that's chapel style, that's where I'm heading for. I'm just going to walk through Chapel Star. I think I'm going to see if I can get up to Silverhow, because I still will be spot that like. It's a couple of mile walk from Stittle Barn where I've parked at, and there's probably a mile of ascent. You know, I've got all day. I'm easy on for time, so. This is where the fun starts now. I'm pagging before I start, to be honest. It's not too bad a climb though, I've been up here before. It's steep for a little bit, then it flattens off and gets a little bit steeper again towards the top, but this probably isn't the best way to come up that Silverhow Lake, but and the lakes are this busy, you just got to park where you can and sort it out from there. It's a nice spot though, Silverhow Lake is. I don't mind ascending the hill so much, it's descending that does mean. But anyway, we'll worry about that when it's time to descend. Right, I'm going to start the climb. Right, next task is to find some water. Got a little bit late, but I'm running a bit low. I think I know where there's a couple of sources up here. Like, these bags really are a pain to fill up at times, aren't they? Christ. Tell you what though, the water tastes good. Yeah, Silverhow, there's the cairn. give you a quick look around. 360. No wonder. It's always better to have a bit of water in your view, don't you think? I always think it makes it. Got that little bit of haze again, but apart from that, it's perfect. Is that the Traveller's Rest at the bottom there? I think it is, like. Never been in. I can absolutely murder pike there, like. Right, that's me packed up. Time is at 7:10. Bit of a frost last night, that was quite nippy. But I need to be away sharp this morning, so I got a decent walk in front of us and then a good drive. And I've got a few things to sort out for work tomorrow. And I know we don't really want to talk about work, but I'm working on a university refurb in the city centre at the moment. And there's 7 floors and a basement. It's only one block, but there's 2 flights of stairs at every floor. And for the last month or so, I've been up and down them like a yo-yo every day. So it's probably good practice, like. What a stunner! I really don't want to go home. That's the path up the Silver Hoe there. Pretty steep. Probably about half an hour to get up there. It probably looks worse than what it is. Halfway up there's steps and it gets better then. It has to be said that descent there is horrendous. I came down there like Franz Klammer and his pump. Not on purpose, like nearly done anyway. More ways than one. So I'm signing off here. See you in a bit.